Let's discuss projectile motion, right? So last class I said when it comes to projectile motion, the body is moving in a semicircle form, right? I said if I have a person here trying to I have a tree here, and I have this guy trying to kill a bird. So the stone or perhaps the catapult or the arrow will move in this direction, Abby, and then land back this way. This kind of movement is said to be a projectile movement, or you call it a projectile motion, right? So saying, so you have to understand how projectile works. And we said there are two movements. Whenever we have horizontal movement this way, this is said to be equations of uniformly motion, right? And we have this one of this form. Sorry, this one is free fall. Free fall, right? This is what for the that by the way, sharp. So now that's last class concept. So let me just explain. Let me just give you a formulas for the following, because we dealt with this in last class already. So let me just give formula to do a revision for you guys. So first things first, we said when it comes to projectile motion, there are four important terms there, Abby. What's the first one I gave you? What's the first one? Time of what? Of flight is the first important thing I gave you there, and it's what? Small t, Abby. So that's so small t now is equal to what? U sine what? Theta over g. So your ability to solve any problem under this in JAMB is that, can you remember the formula? If you can't remember, you're gone, right? Or you're lower on your own. So that's first one. Number two there is what? Total time of what? Flight, Abby. That's what? Capital T. And what formula there? Capital T is equal to what? 2 of that small t. In expression form, I'll have that. Yes, you see the same thing. So no, it's correct. Look up. In expression form, I'll have t equal to u. What's small t? We said is what? U sine theta over g. Alright. That's number two. The second terminology I gave you in the study of projectile motion. For the third one is what there? Maximum height. Number three. Maximum height. Right? So that's capital H. So maximum height is the highest distance covered by projectile during projectile motion. So capital H is equal to what? U square sine square theta over 2g, please. Yes. Don't research, please. It's sine theta, please. So this formula was actually discussed. So a girl from Uganda told me that I'm not correct. I thought that I'm correct with this formula. She said no, that at our own physics textbook that I'm using there, that it says u square sine theta cos theta over g. Said it's not cos theta, it's sine that is there. She said no. She now came to my WhatsApp DM. She now sent me textbook and the what's it called? Textbook and the page to this this thing. When I check it, there was a mistake there in the textbooks. So I showed her my own textbook too, and she showed my other textbook. She now clarified that this is the correct formula. So the thing is just that most textbooks do slightly small mistakes in their writing or printing. Let me just say it that way. So this is the formula for maximum height. So the fourth one is called the fourth one is called range. Range. That's capital R, range. Alright, this is the maximum horizontal distance. This is the maximum horizontal distance covered by a projectile during projectile motion. This is the maximum horizontal distance covered by a projectile during a projectile motion. Mathematically, I have R to be equal to U square sine 2 theta over G. All right. I have u square sine theta over g. So these are like the four important, yes, 2 theta over g. These are the important what's it called, formulas you need to know when it comes to JAMB for projectile motion. Example, please. Let's take example and then we're off for this concept. Example. So by the way, look up please. By the way, let me define terms, please. Okay. Let me define term, please. Before I clean the board, look up. Where theta is what? Angle, Abby. What's there? U, Abby, is what? Initial, what there? Velocity. What is G there? Acceleration due to what? To gravity. What again? That's all. So copy down what each parameter means, please. So note that theta is angle there, and u is initial velocity, and finally your g is said to be acceleration. And by the way, this is a constant value. They might give you and they might not give you. In case they didn't give you, yes, in case they didn't give you, you can use 10 or use 9.81. So gravity is constant. So either use 9.81 or use what? Or use what? 10. Please. Either will be 2. Still very much correct, please. So meter per second. Meter per second square. Meter per second square. Alright. Example 1, please. Example 1. JAMB example 1, please. Shall I proceed? An object is projected at an angle 30 degrees into the air. An object is projected at an angle 30 degrees into the air and allowed to move freely with an initial velocity. Please, it's from the air I'm giving it to, please. Move freely with an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. Right there. Calculate the following. Number 1. Calculate the following. Number 1. Calculate the following. Number 1. Time of flight. Number 2. Total time of flight. Number 3. Maximum height. Number 4. Range. So all those things I gave you, like time of flight, maximum height, range, we're looking for them with this question. So to save time, I'll just pick a question and solve everything there. So first is first, in the question, what am I given? Solution. What are the given parameter? Given. What am I given? Yeah, I'm given u, Abby. What's u? Okay, theta. What's theta? 30 what degrees, Abby. What's u there? 20 what meter per second. That's all, right? We know that g is what? 10 meter per second square, right? But say you can add in the question, take g as 10 meter per second squared. You can add to the question now, take g as 10 meter per second squared. So first, number 1 question is what? Time of what? Time of flight. Please, for time of flight, is this small to capital T? Small t, Abby. So small t equal to what? U sine theta over g. Put in your value. What's u? U is 20. So I'll have that small t is equal to 20 That is, u is 20, abi. Sine theta is of course 30. I have 30 over g. What's g? So use 10. I have 10. Please help me punch. 20 sine 30 over 10 is what? Guru. Let's use this. Yes, calculator reducing in system. Sine 30 has its own value. What's it? Times 20. See, you can even punch 20 times sine 30 together. You can press 20 first, then sine 30 together. Uh-huh. 10 abi over what? 10 abi. So what's my small t? What's small t there? One what? One what? Seconds now. Times seconds. That's your value for small t. That's number 1. That's 1. Number 2. What's number 2 question, please? Find what? Number 2 question is what?
Find the total time of flight.
Total time of what? Flight. All right. Yeah. All right. For me now, look up. Capital T equal to what? We said 2 of what? Small t. Abi? And I know the small t as what? As 1 already. So I can just say 2 into 1. So therefore capital T is what? Is 2 what? 2 seconds, please. We say capital T equal to what? 2t. Right? Or use the formula that exponent formula. See the same thing. So 2 times 1 is 2. Either I use this 1 or use what? 2u sine theta over g. So you see the same thing, but you see this one now is what you just solved earlier now. To save time. What next there? Maximum height. Let's get that done. Number 3. Maximum height. So let's do this, please. That's capital H, are we? Capital H equal to u square sine square theta over what there? Over g. All right. Put in value, please. Put in values. So have that capital H there equal to, that's what? 20 square. Am I right? Am I right? Sine. Observe sine what? Square. Theta is what? 30. Abi? All right. Over what? Over 10. Now listen, in science, if I have, or in math generally, if I have a times a, this word there, a squared. Abi? Similarly in math, if I have sine theta times sine theta, which is the answer? Is it sine squared theta or sine theta square or sine theta all square? Which one is the answer? Which one? Everything is the same language. Which one? Is it 1, 2, 3? Which one? 2, Abby? Is it 1 or 2, 3? At this level, hold on, oh, you're multiplying 2 tricks together. Now listen, this is correct. This is correct. This is wrong, because sine theta square means this square is everything only theta. So this concept, you can say, right, if I have tan theta times tan theta times tan theta, this can be written as what? Tan cubed theta. You can see? Or what? Tan theta to power what? To power 3. The same language. So know that this kind of writing exists. Right, please. All right, so I'm having times square theta. This was sine 30 times what? Sine 30 in two places. That's the meaning. Look up. I said if I have sine square theta, it means what? Sine theta times what? Sine theta. I'm having sine square 30. It means what? Sine 30 times what? Sine 30 in two places. That's the meaning. All right. From there now, I'm coming. So look up, please. From here, I'll have that h equal to what's 10 squared? 400, Abi? 400. Please confirm. Times, this is what? Sine 30 times what? Sine 30. Square means 2 times. Right? So over, I have 10 there. Please give me final answer. What's h? What's h? Just press sine 30 times sine 30 times 400 together. Times, yes, together, everything to give you answer. Everything, Abi? Yeah. With this divided by 10, Abi? No. Okay, 100, Abi? 100 over what? Over 10. Therefore, h equal to what? 10 what? In meters, because we say it's in height. And height is not in meters, please. So my h there is 10. Yes, it's 10. All right. Is that all? Let's get final one, please. That's range. Abi? Yeah. All right. So you do range for me and leave your answer in the comment section. So I'll reply you as fast as I can. So you do range for me. Or should I do range? Okay, let me do range. I'll give assignment to do. All right. Let me do range. Let me do range. And I'll give you assignment. Oh? All right. Oh, sorry. See. All right. Number what? 3, 4, Abi? That's range. Range, that's R. What's R there? R equal to U square sine 2 theta over what? G. What's U? 20 or what? All square sine 2 into what's theta there? 30 over what? 10. 2 times 30 is what? 60. So I have that R equal to U square 20 squared what? 400. I have 400 sine 60 Abi over 100. Oh, sorry, 10. Yes, it's 10. I wrote 10. I said 100. Sorry, it's 10. So from here, what's my final answer, please? What is 400 times sine 60 together? All right. 400 sine 60 divided by 10. Everything, Abi? Together. 34. Point what? In what? In meters. Because I said maximum horizontal distance in meters, please. So this is the answer in meters. So since I solve this particular problem, correct this part? Okay. Then I solve this. So when it comes to JAMB and WAEC concepts, so just your ability to solve any problems under projectile is that, can you recall the mathematical expression, the 4 expression for them? That's all. If you can't remember it, you are on your own, or your lower OT law. So it's gone. Use sine theta over G. Capital T. My height sine square theta over 2G. Finally, sine theta over G. Alright. So practice them. It's easy. No hard. Right? No hard. So assignment, please. Assignment number 1. Assignment number 1, please. Assignment number 1. A body is being projected at an angle 60 degrees into the air
The body.
is being projected at an angle 60 degree. I've solved past questions, so I've crammed them a lot. So
Please, I'm going to go this today.
want to buy it, Abby?
Go.
It's not mine, it's for this young man.
Okay, your own.
My own, Abby? Probably. When? Oh no, one young man that. Okay, put down. Let me just record. A body is being projected at an angle 60 degree into the air. Into the air. With an initial velocity of 40 meters per second squared. Sorry, 40 meters per second, please. With an initial velocity of 40 meters per second. 40 meters per second. Don't put square. Square is acceleration. Yeah. Are you there?
Yes.
And finally comes down to rest. Calculate the following. Number one. Calculate the following. Number one. Calculate the following. Number one. Time of light, total time of light, maximum height and range. Those things I did here. Everything. And leave your answer in the comment section. I'll reply you as fast as I can. Alright. Do well to visit my website at www.ghanarecord.com. So in my website you get close to 200 tutorial video for JAMB and WAEC. So you can go there, you purchase the course. So when you purchase the course, it's a lifetime access. So do well to buy the course and it's a lifetime access. So get the course. Alright, see you in our next class.